Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add MetaMask to Brave browser. All right. So first up, open up Brave. Now, once you're in here, to add one, you can go ahead and go to the top right, click on the extensions logo, or if you can't find it, click on the three horizontal lines. Now click on extensions. Okay. Click on visit web store. And in here, go to the search box and just type down MetaMask like so. Now, once that's done, just hit on enter or click on MetaMask right here. And just make sure that you click on the ones that got this logo, okay? Do not be fooled. As you can see here, there are a ton of MetaMask extensions, okay? Now, another way to add MetaMask to your Brave browser is by going to a new tab right here. In the URL box, type down metamask.io/download, okay? Hit on enter, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, in here, make sure that you're under browser extension. Now go ahead and click on Brave. Now in here, it should say Get MetaMask. Okay. So just go ahead and click on Get, and there'll be a pop-up right here at the very top. So just go ahead and click on Get Extension. Okay. And once that's done, MetaMask will be added right here. You can just easily click on it and it will open up a new tab. Right. And there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.